how to ship on Depop with your shipping. I'm going to show you how you can easily ship on Depop with your shipping. The first step is to contact your buyer after they make a purchase. Then, confirm the shipping details, such as the address and any specific preferences they might have. It's good to maintain clear communication to ensure a smooth transaction. Next, start preparing the item for shipping. Use secure and sturdy packaging to protect the item during transit. You can choose your courier service, such as USPS, FedEx, or other local carrier. Once you have packaged the item, head to the courier and purchase the shipping label yourself. After you've shipped the item, be sure to mark the listing as shipped on Depop. This will notify your buyer that their order is on its way and will help you keep track of the transaction. You can also send the buyer and tracking number if available, which provides additional reassurance. Once the buyer has received the item, it's a good idea to give them a review based on the overall experience. This helps build a positive relationship with your buyers and encourages future transactions. When using your shipping method, remember to factor in both domestic and international shipping fees. These can vary depending on the courier you choose, the size and weight of the package, and also the destination. Also, consider the cost of packaging and shipping labels, as these will be a part of your overall expenses when using your shipping.